morning, all of you. Good morning.
Very good morning.
Okay, so we were talking about the topic molecular basis of inheritance. So here, introduction we have studied. Who discovered this genetic material? What are the types of genetic material we have? Yes, how many types of nucleic acids are there? What are they? DNA and RNA. Which is the most, in most of the species, which genetic material is present? DNA is present. RNA is genetic material only in few viruses. Who discovered the nucleic acid first time? Frederick Miescher. Frederick Miescher discovered the DNA. Who said these DNA as nucleic acid? Altman. He performed the chemical analysis and said that it is acidic in nature. What is the term given to the genetic material by the Frederick Miescher? Nucleon. Nucleon is a term given by the Miescher for the genetic material. Okay. So the longest polymer when you see all biomolecules, DNA, RNA, carbohydrates, प्रोटीन्स, लिपिड्स, सो इसमें सबसे बड़ा और लॉन्गेस्ट पॉलीमर कौन सा है? डीएनए इज द लॉन्गेस्ट पॉलीमर. ओके, इवन कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज आल्सो पॉलीमर ऑफ मोनोसैकेराइड्स, लिपिड्स इज आल्सो ए पॉलीमर, वेर एज डीएनए इज आल्सो पॉलीमर. सो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट कौन सा है बोले तो दैट इज डीएनए इज द लॉन्गेस्ट पॉलीमर व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू ऑल अदर पॉलीमर्स. ओके, so then what are the various chemicals by which this DNA made up of? We have studied this one. So chemical composition, yes, DNA is made up of phosphate, sugar and nitrogen bases. These three together called as nucleotide. Okay, so this is with respect to DNA. So what nucleotide we have to call it as? Deoxyribonucleotide. Okay, so DNA is a long polymer which is made up of deoxyribonucleotides, right? This we have studied. Now I said that phosphate is linked to the sugar with a bond called as phosphoester diester. Phosphoester bond. Sugar is binded with the nitrogen base pair by the N glycosidic bond or linkage. Now next thing we have to see what is this linkage and how it is going to form. Okay, so that linkage now we are going to study here. So phosphate का formula क्या है माँ? OH, OH, double bond O and OH, right? And sugar, 5 carbon sugar or 6 carbon sugar it is? 5 carbon sugar. Okay, and numbering if you give 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So here it will be, what are the groups present here? Functional group, hydroxyl group, here it is hydrogen, here hydrogen, hydrogen, here it is hydrogen, here it is hydroxyl group, here it is hydrogen, here it is CH2OH, right? This we have studied, okay? Now how these, between the phosphate, between the sugar, the bond which is formed is called as phosphoester bond. How it is formed? From the sugar, OH group, from the phosphate, hydrogen is removed as water. When it is removed as water, then what is the bond present here? P, OH, OH, double bond O, और इधर क्या है अभी? O, only O functional group is present here, and here it is CH2, and here it is hydrogen, OH, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and OH. Hello. Listen here. Now this linkage upon removal of water with the phosphate, with this oxygen group, whatever this linkage which is formed, this linkage itself called as what linkage? Ester linkage. Phosphoester linkage. You are where you are dreaming, ma? Huh? Understood? So from the sugar, from the phosphate, water molecule is removed. Upon removal of water, the linkage which is formed, that is called as what linkage? Phosphoester linkage. Understood? Is this clear? Then, now here, between sugar and the phosphate ester linkage we have shown, and I said between the nitrogen base and sugar what is present? N-glycosidic linkage is present. How that is going to form now? So for that I am drawing one purine. So purine is heterocyclic compound or homocyclic compound? It is heterocyclic compound. Okay? That means how many rings are present? 2 rings are present. Whether they are same or different? Different. At what position nitrogen is present? First position, third position, 7th position, 9th position. Okay? At the 9th position, whatever this hydrogen, at the first position of the sugar, which is there, again these are removed as water. Okay? So removal of water बोले तो क्या बोलना इधर? Dehydration. Process is here dehydration. Here also what is the process here? Dehydration. Okay? Now after this, now whatever the structure which is formed, yes, let us draw this. Phosphate, OH, double bond O, OH, O, CH2, hydrogen, and here it will be, yes. तो अभी इधर से OH चले गए. So what is the linkage formed here? N, like this structure is formed, right? From the first position, whatever the OH group is there, that is removed. So the linkage is formed between now first position of the carbon and the 9th position nitrogen से linkage form हो रहा. Like this it is forming the link, right? अभी इधर क्या है? Hydrogen, 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 and here it is OH. Which one? This one. 9th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. हाँ? किधर 7th को? हाँ ये 8th है, ये 9th है माँ. Who said? Correct only there, no? सेवेंथ पोजीशन में. हाँ हाँ, ओके ओके. हाँ ओके ओके ओके. लिखो. So now whatever this linkage is there, this is between carbon and this is nitrogen, and here what will be present? Here also it is carbon, right? So इसको हम क्या linkage बोलना? CNC linkage you can call, or you can call it as N. Sugar से bind हुआ, that's why it is also called as glycosidic linkage. So what is this linkage is called now? CNC linkage, or it is also called as N glycosidic linkage. N glycosidic linkage. तो अभी ये क्या है माँ? What is this structure? This is nothing but nitrogen base. This is nothing but sugar. This is nothing but phosphate. तो ये पूरा स्ट्रक्चर को अभी हम क्या बोलना? न्यूक्लियोटाइड it is. This is nothing but nucleotide. Okay? So how a nucleotide is formed with the linkages? Is it clear? एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड के अंदर कितना लिंकेजेस है माँ? 2 लिंकेजेस है. One is between the sugar and phosphate. One is between the sugar and nitrogen base. Okay, between sugar and nitrogen base, the link which is present is called as CNC linkage, or it can also be called as N-glycosidic linkage. Okay, whereas the link which is present between sugar and phosphate, that is called as what linkage? Phosphoester linkage. So 2 linkages are there in a nucleotide: sugar and phosphate, ester linkage; sugar and nitrogen base, glycosidic linkage. Okay, glyco, in the name itself it is there. What is the meaning of glyco? Sugar. Sugar से ये bind हो रहा, that's why it is called as glycosidic linkage. Okay, got it? So in NCERT just he gave how what is the link present between the sugar, phosphate and sugar nitrogen base में ये link होता बोल के बस उतना ही बोले थे माँ. Such structures are not given in NCERT, but you have to understand why. Because why one strand is called 5' to 3', other is called 3' to 5'. Okay, linkage कैसा बन रहे, कौन सा कार्बन के बीच में बन रहे, this is all are important. So NCERT he mentioned the linkages, but between what carbons is formed is not mentioned. That is your duty to know. Understood? Now very important question I will ask. Listen here once. This is nitrogen base. This is sugar. In the sugar also carbons are present. In the nitrogen base also carbon is present. Then how to differentiate carbon of nitrogen base from the carbon of sugar? Got the question? Understood what I asked? Not understood? Listen carefully, that's why. Nitrogen base is also having carbon. These are all are nothing but the positions of carbon. Within the sugar also what are there? Carbons are present. Okay, so this is carbon. Now this is also carbon. So how to differentiate carbon of sugar from the carbon of नाइट्रोजन बेस, दोनों भी कार्बन ही है, तो कैसा हम रिप्रेजेंट डिफरेंशिएट करना? यस, how we have to differentiate these two carbons now? Term prime is used for the carbon of sugar, and वो prime कैसा रिप्रेजेंट करना? C के ऊपर एक लाइन मारना बस, ओके? सो डैश बोलते, नहीं तो इसको एग्जैक्टली प्राइम बोलना. व्हाट यू हैव टू कॉल इट एज? प्राइम. सो लेट अस राइट नाउ दिस CN-C लिंकेज कैसा है. फर्स्ट C रिप्रेजेंट कार्बन ऑफ शुगर, देन N, and the last carbon represent carbon of nitrogen base. So C prime N C. Understood? So ये C prime कौन सा कार्बन, नंबर क्या है इसका? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ और फिफ्थ? फर्स्ट कार्बन. ओके, सो लिंकेज इज 1 prime, हाँ, देन 9th कार्बन. ओके, सो 1 9 ग्लाइकोसाइडिक लिंकेज. So this 1 के ऊपर क्या डाले हम? प्राइम डाले. That indicates it is the carbon of sugar. If you are not giving the notation prime, that indicates it is the carbon of nitrogen base. Understood? Understood or not? See, carbon of sugar is, the carbon of sugar is differentiated from carbon of nitrogen base by indicating term what? Prime. Okay? Prime for carbon of sugar or nitrogen base? Sugar. Okay? So अभी ये लिंकेज है, बोलो मफ 1 prime 9 glycosidic linkage बोलना. Yes or no? Why? Because this 1 prime indicates carbon of sugar, 9 indicates carbon of नाइट्रोजन बेस. लिंकेज को क्या बोलना? ग्लाइकोसाइडिक लिंकेज. 1 प्राइम 9 ग्लाइकोसाइडिक लिंकेज. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? सो अभी ये प्यूरिन है, पिरिमिडिन है? इज इट प्यूरिन और पिरिमिडिन? हेट्रोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड है, मींस इट इज ए प्यूरिन. पिरिमिडिन को एक ही रिंग स्ट्रक्चर रहता, देन व्हाट विल बिकम फर्दर? लिंकेज को क्या बोलना? 1 प्राइम 1 नहीं आता, अभी 1 प्राइम 9 नहीं आता, देन व्हाट इट विल कम? So only one ring is present. Okay, so at what position nitrogens are present? Like this, 6 carbons are there at first carbon, and at the third carbon nitrogen is present, and here this is nothing but now what? Sugar, right? तो शुगर में अभी ये फर्स्ट पोजीशन क्या है? OH है. इधर फर्स्ट पोजीशन क्या है? NH है. तो फ्रॉम हियर हाइड्रोजन and hydroxyl group are removed. So what is the structure formed here now? Tell me how it will be forming now. Yes, so it is forming in this way, right? So now what this linkage should be called as now? ये भी glycosidic linkage है, CN-C linkage, but carbon number if you see, first carbon, here also it is first carbon, means 1 prime 1 glycosidic linkage. अगर pyrimidine है बोले तो the linkage between sugar and nitrogen base is 1 prime 1 glycosidic linkage. If it is purine, it is 1 prime 9 glycosidic linkage. That's it. Okay. With 9th carbon it is showing linkage. If it is purine, with the first carbon it is showing linkage. If it is pyrimidine. Okay, understood everyone? So these are all the differences between the एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड के अंदर कितना लिंकेजेस है. हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट द कार्बन ऑफ शुगर विथ द कार्बन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. तो किसको हम टर्म प्राइम यूज करना, कार्बन ऑफ शुगर, कार्बन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन बेस, कार्बन ऑफ शुगर. व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग द टर्म प्राइम हियर? टू डिफरेंशिएट द कार्बन ऑफ शुगर फ्रॉम कार्बन ऑफ नाइट्रोजन बेस. यस, concept is very important. You have to understand these linkages between what carbons it is formed. That is very, very important. Okay. Now after knowing the linkage in one nucleotide, next we have to see how a polynucleotide chain is formed. Okay, first write this, then I will tell you. बोलो माँ.
मुझे समझाओ.
कौन सा? Yes, listen once again here. What is this? What is this? What is this? Nitrogen base. So here what is this? Carbon, 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 right? And what are these? These are also nothing but. So here what is there? Carbon, carbon. So these are all are nothing but the carbons. In the nitrogen base also carbons are there. In the sugar also carbons are there. Okay. तो लिंकेज को अगर हम 1,9 ग्लाइकोसाइडिक लिंकेज अगर डालें तो this 1 indicates which carbon, whether it is nitrogen base or sugar, we don't know. 9 अगर ऐसा ही लिखे तो we don't know whether it is carbon of a sugar or a nitrogen base. अभी ये दोनों को हम डिफरेंशिएट करना, इसके लिए what we are using, अगर लिंकेज में कार्बन ऑफ शुगर इन्वॉल्व हुआ उसको हम क्या बोलना, प्राइम बोलना. अंडरस्टूड? Whereas the carbons of nitrogen base simply we have to call it as carbon only. That's it. Okay. So अभी लिंकेज किस दोनों के बीच में फॉर्म हुआ, शुगर एंड नाइट्रोजन बेस. At what position, which carbons are involved in this linkage? First carbon of sugar, 9th carbon of nitrogen base are involved. That's why we are calling it as 1 prime 9 what linkage? Glycosidic linkage. That's it. Is it clear? और क्या डाउट है इसमें? This is very much clear to all or not? हाँ? Yes or no? Then still dilemma में कुछ faces दिख रहा? हाँ? Carbon of sugar are represented with the term prime. Carbons of nitrogen are not given the term prime. Based on nitrogen position. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Why I have written? Here, from here, यहाँ से दोनों आपको ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री कंप्लीट हुआ. आउट ऑफ द 2 रिंग्स विच रिंग इज गिवन इम्पोर्टेंस? नंबरिंग किधर से स्टार्ट होना? हाँ, wait, is it finished? ऑनलाइन है ना, बाद में पूछो. यस, I will tell why it is. Is it finished? Now did you understood what is the linkage here? 1' 9 glycosidic linkage कैसा फॉर्म हुआ, समझ में आया? 1' 1 where we have to use, 1' 9 where we have to use. Is it clear? Pyrimidine रहे तो 1' 1 glycosidic linkage. If it is purine, it is called as 1' 9 glycosidic linkage. Between the sugar and between the phosphate, the linkage is called as phosphoester linkage. Okay? Then, shall I rub it? Shall I rub it? Then, now how many types of monomers, or it is also called as deoxynucleotides are present in DNA? How many types of monomers, or you can call them as deoxynucleotides, present in DNA? One is deoxyribonucleotide, तो कौन सा भी ले लो, that is called as deoxyribonucleotide. So what are the names of these deoxyribonucleotide? It is deoxythymidine, thymidine monophosphate, deoxythymidine monophosphate. और क्या है माँ, deoxycytidine monophosphate, then deoxyguanine monophosphate, और deoxyadenine monophosphate, deoxyadenine monophosphate, guanine monophosphate, cytidine monophosphate, thymidine monophosphate. These are nothing but each monomer. और ये सबको हम एक वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं, दैट इज नथिंग बट deoxyribonucleotides. ओके, so here guanine you can call, or you can also call the guanosine monophosphate, adenosine monophosphate, or you can also call adenylic, also you can call. Okay, adenylic monophosphate, guanylic monophosphate, cytidylic monophosphate, thymidyllic monophosphate. Why? Because lic we are using because it is acid. Okay, or you can simply use the name of the nitrogen base, thiamine monophosphate, cytosine monophosphate. As it is binding with the sugar, you can use the term thymidine, cytidine, guanosine, adenosine. Okay, or simply if you write the nitrogen base name, that is thiamine, cytosine, guanine, adenine, is also correct. Why? Because we have mentioned here deoxy. Okay, so the deoxy indicates sugar. Okay, शुगर में सेकेंड पोजीशन में ऑक्सीजन का रिमूवल हुआ, दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग द टर्म deoxy. So these four monomers or these four nucleotides will be forming the long chain of DNA. Okay, so these are going to join and form long chain of DNA. Okay. Now after understanding what are the monomers present in the DNA, okay, और एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड के अंदर कौन सा लिंकेजेस है. So within one nucleotide how many linkages are there? बोलो माँ, how many linkages are there? What are that linkages? फॉस्फोडाइएस्टर है, फॉस्फोएस्टर है, फॉस्फोएस्टर लिंकेज. ओके, कौन सा कार्बन से फॉर्म हुआ ये एस्टर लिंकेज? शुगर का कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन बेस का कार्बन, शुगर का कार्बन. कौन सा कार्बन? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ और फिफ्थ कार्बन इज इन्वॉल्व इन फॉर्मिंग दी एस्टर लिंकेज विथ दी फॉस्फेट ग्रुप. ओके, गेटिंग दिस? देन nitrogen base is forming linkage with the sugar and that linkage is called as N-glycosidic linkage, and the position of the carbon changes with respect to purine and pyrimidine. अगर purine रहे तो 1 prime 9 बोलना, अगर pyrimidine रहे तो 1 prime 1 बोलना. ठीक है? Getting this? Now what is the difference between DNA nitrogen bases and RNA nitrogen bases and DNA sugar कैसा रहता, RNA का sugar कैसा रहता? So a small difference between these we will see. Shall I rub this one? Deoxyribose sugar compared with which sugar? Ribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar is seen in DNA. Here it is RNA. So already we have studied the structure of the DNA. Deoxyribose sugar. इधर क्या है माँ? OH और H. OH, H, H, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydroxyl, hydrogen, CH2, OH. Okay? If we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now at the second position, what is present here? Hydrogen is present instead of hydroxyl group. That's why we are calling it as deoxy. So ये deoxy किधर हुआ? Second carbon. Okay, so deoxyribose we are calling because at second position oxygen is removed. Okay, then what about the RNA? Yes, if you see the RNA, here it is OH, H, H. अभी इधर क्या होना? Very important here, hydroxyl group. Hydrogen, 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 CH2, OH. Okay, when numbering is given, so at the second position of what group is present? At the second carbon what group is present? Hydroxyl group is present. That's why it is called what sugar? Simply ribose sugar. From the ribose sugar, if the second position, from the second position oxygen is removed, that will become deoxyribose sugar. Right? Out I said.
Please.
Okay, so this is the first difference between the DNA and RNA. Okay, one more difference is there between DNA and RNA. Remember this difference. Why? Because based on difference only, we are calling DNA as stable and RNA as unstable. Okay, remember in RNA world I'll explain you once again why it is called stable, why it is called as unstable. That depends upon the chemical nature of this sugar only. Okay, remember that point. At second position of the ribose sugar, OH group is present. Such group is absent on DNA. Okay, DNA sugar में second position में वो OH group is absent. That is making a big difference between the stability of DNA and RNA. Okay, then coming to the nucleotides, coming to the nitrogen bases of DNA and RNA, if you compare, what is the difference is there? In case of DNA, the 4 nitrogen bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Whereas in case of RNA, adenine same, guanine same, cytosine same, but thymine place में uracil is present. Uracil is present. Okay, so how many difference we have studied now? 2 difference between RNA and DNA. One is thymine place में uracil है in case of RNA, and in case of deoxyribose sugar is present in RNA. Okay, so 2 differences we have studied here. Okay, so adenine and guanine are purines or pyrimidines? These are nothing but purines. What are pyrimidines? Cytosine and thymine, और RNA रहे तो uracil, right? So here if you see the structure of adenine, heterocyclic or homocyclic compound? Heterocyclic compound. Okay, 1 5-carbon sugar, 5-carbon ring and 1 6-carbon ring is present. So numbering if you give 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, so here at the 6th position, amine group is present, NH2 group is present, and you know at first position nitrogen, third position nitrogen, 7th position nitrogen and 9th position it is nitrogen. Okay, तो इधर हम याद रखना what is present at the, what is the functional groups which are differentiating between each nitrogen base. Okay, adenine, this is nothing but adenine. Then guanine, this is also heterocyclic compound. Okay, nitrogen, 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 and instead of NH2 here it is now double bond O, and at the 2nd position now it will be amine group NH2. Okay, so this is adenine and this is nothing but guanine. Then how cytosine and thymine is present, whether they are homocyclic compound or heterocyclic compound? Homocyclic compound, only 1 ring is present, only 1 ring is present here, right? So here if it is double bond O and here it is NH2, reverse of the guanine. Guanine 6 membered ring में देखो इधर double bond O है, okay, and here it is NH2 and here it will be NH2, here it will be double bond O, then this is called as cytosine. Whereas here in case of at 2 position this will be double bond O, at the 5th carbon it will be methyl group, okay. So this is nothing but thiamine, it is nothing but thiamine, okay. Then uracil thiamine में difference क्या है? Same to same, double bond O, but at the 5th position methyl group which is present, that is absent, okay. That's why thiamine is also called as 5-methyl uracil भी बोलते हैं इसको. Same like uracil, but at 5th position what is there? Methyl group is there, okay. So here it is thiamine and this is nothing but uracil, okay. This thing you have studied in biomolecules topic also in first year. Structures पढ़े? हाँ? अभी पढ़ो. तब नहीं पढ़े तो अभी पढ़ो. Why? Because these two units are interlinked. Biomolecules and molecular basis of inheritance. उधर थोड़ा ही introduction दिए DNA के बारे में. Here in detail you are going to study. ओके हो गया. So with respect to nitrogen bases, what difference is there between DNA and RNA? In place of thiamine, what is present? Uracil is present in case of RNA, okay. And one more difference, what I said, in place of deoxyribose sugar, here it will be ribose sugar, okay. DNA से कंपेयर करें तो RNA में दो डिफरेंस है. One is with respect to sugar, one is with respect to nitrogen base. Two only I said till now. Other differences are also there. We will continue one by one. Here I have said two differences. One is with respect to sugar, one more with respect to nitrogen base, okay. What is the other name for thiamine? Thiamine, 5-methyl uracil, okay. Same like uracil, thiamine is same like uracil, but at the 5th position what is there? Methyl group is there. That's why it is also called as 5-methyl uracil, okay. तो NCERT लाइंस में ये नहीं रहता माँ, मगर डायग्राम देख के, दैट इज स्ट्रक्चर्स देख के आप एनालिसिस करना. Such units are not in molecular basis or principles of inheritance. कुछ units है वो application ज़्यादा रहता. Based on the lines, he is going to frame the different pattern of questions. Okay. So what kind of questions he is analyzed, that also I am giving on the board. Okay. So just you have to note it and revise. That's it. कुछ भी नहीं है. Group is absent. In uracil, at the 5th position, empty. There is no methyl moiety is only not present. ये structure ही नहीं रहता. Completely it is absent. कार्बन एक ही है, कार्बन 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 है, कुछ ग्रुप नहीं है इधर. ओके, so that's why I said methyl group is absent here. Got it? This is also very important with respect to stability. If I ask the question like this, DNA is more stable, RNA is more stable. Why we are telling it is stable? It will not undergo mutation so easily. DNA के अंदर कुछ नाइट्रोजन बेसिस है, न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स है, they will not undergo mutation so easily. When mutations are not going so easily, that compound should be called as stable or unstable? Stable. That stability, one is due to absence of hydroxyl group at second position, one more is due to presence of methyl group at the fifth position. Getting this? So all these differences after studying, we will come to know that DNA, why it is more stable when compared to that of RNA. Here I said 2 points. One is second position, oxygen is absent, making less reactive. Presence of methyl group at the fifth position, making less reactive. Less reactive means not undergoing mutation so easily. ये RNA के ऊपर यूरासिल में ये मिथाइल पोजीशन नहीं है, easily it will undergo chemical reactions and its structure is changing. That's why coronavirus RNA है, easily it is undergoing mutation because it is having what genetic material? RNA as a genetic material. RNA will undergo chemical reactions very easily. With slight changes in the environment, RNA will undergo mutation so easily, but DNA will not undergo mutation so easily. What is the reason? Means 2 reasons I said here. One is absence of hydroxyl group at second position in sugar and presence of thiamine in place of uracil compared to RNA. Okay? So this is all about today's class, and tomorrow we will see how phosphodiester linkage is formed, how the 2 strands are formed. One we are calling 5 prime, 3 prime. Other strand is running anti-parallel, that is 3 prime, 5 prime. अभी ये prime का meaning समझ में आया? ये dash dash बोल के मत पढ़ो. It is nothing but prime. 5 prime, 3 prime. Okay? 3 prime, 5 prime. Prime we are using because it is the carbon of sugar or nitrogen base? Sugar. Okay? So tomorrow we will study why one strand is called 5 prime, 3 prime. Other strand is called as 3 prime, 5 prime. Nucleotides के बीच में क्या linkage रहता? That is phosphodiester linkage. How it is going to form? Okay? Thank you all of you.